Hey everybody, it's Drew. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. I have not posted a video in a while. Uh, Several reasons for that. One is I just simply haven't been building models much this summer. And I'll get to that in a minute. But in this video, I just want to give you kind of an update, what's going on, show you some kits that I've bought over the last 6 months or so, and that, there'll be parts of upcoming builds. And, but yeah, so many of you know I'm a school administrator. I'm a vice principal at the high school level at a school in Alamosa, Colorado. But I'm in my primary residence right here in Colorado Springs. So I actually have two residencies, whatever you want to call it. And the reason for that is, to make a long story short, about 7 years ago, I kind of desperately needed a job. And so I took a position out of town, and without getting all the ins and outs, it's worked out really well. It was a little hard on the family, but again, it's about 2 hours and 45-minute drive, and I'm usually back here on the weekends and breaks and things like that, schedule allowing. My youngest daughter goes to school with me. She's going to graduate from my high school next year. So we maintain a little 2-bedroom apartment, and all my modeling stuff is there. And so it's just too much to haul up here all my paints and air compressor and airbrushes and brushes and glues and all that stuff like that. It's just too much of a pain, and I'm only here for a month. I roughly get a month off as a school administrator, which is nice. I'm not complaining about that at all. But you can see behind me, my daughter loves to build these, I think it's a Bandai Mandalorian. It's a snap together, but she loves building that kind of stuff. So I picked those up for her. And but anyway, so yeah, so I do have some kits that I want to show you that I have purchased over the last few months that I will be building. And let me show you this first kit that I got. This is the Academy 1/72nd scale F15C. And I picked this up, I think it's been about 6 months ago, when I was building that awful Revell 1/48 scale F15C that I shelved it for a while, almost threw it in the trash, but I thought, well, I'm going to try to see if I can make something out of it. And I did end up finishing it. So I got a 172 kit that I picked up at my local hobby town. And fortunately, in Alamosa, where I work, there is a hobby town, and there's 2 of them here in Colorado Springs. So, I do shop local. You can get some great deals online, but you want to keep your hobby stores going. Buy a kit from them on occasion if you can. And so this will be one that I build. I'm looking forward to it. Another kit that I got is, this is the Tamiya. It's a 1/72nd Corsair. I have built one of their Corsairs before in this scale. It was the Marine version, and it was a really fun kit. And yeah, so got this for $21.99. So I still love 1/72 scale kits, guys. As long as my bifocal prescription is good and my hands are okay, I can still fiddle with these. They're just fun little kits. They don't take up a lot of room. They're inexpensive, and they go together great. So if you ever get in a rut, your mojo is kind of waning, get you a Tamiya kit. Yeah, so do that, and this will be another one I build coming up. So okay. Another kit that I bought most recently is this one. This is a Tamiya 1/48 scale Tiger 1 tank. It says Eastern Front, and so these 1/48 scale tanks are really, really cool to build. I got into armor by building a Tamiya 1/48 scale Sherman EZ8, and since then I've built another Sherman, earlier version Sherman in 1/48 scale. So this will be my 3rd armor kit, and so they're just a blast to build. I really like these. And again, it's smaller than the 1/35th scale, which means they're cheaper. My gosh, guys, have you been in the hobby stores lately? The price of kits are just getting bad. I mean, I hope that the prices don't put people out of the hobby. But yeah, these are not that expensive. I think I did paid $30 for it. A 1/35 scale tank just like this, I think it was like 50 or 60. And so, but I enjoy building these. And if you're looking for getting into armor, I would encourage you to try one of these 148 Tamiya kits. A lot of fun. I am going to be doing an inbox review on all these kits over the next couple weeks. I like doing, well, let me preface that. I enjoy watching inbox review of kits. I just kind of want to know what's in them. What do you get? Is there a lot of flash? It doesn't bother me, but does it have raised or recessed panel lines? A lot of people make their buying decisions based on watching kit reviews. A few years ago, someone posted, and it was a person that's not even part of our community, and they just put on one of my inbox reviews that, another inbox review, why don't you just build a damn kit, And I'm like, well, yeah, I am going to build it. I did build it. But a lot of people, watch inbox reviews. They want to see, do they, I know for Academy, which I like Academy kits, but a lot of people want to see, does it come with the regular Academy decals, or do they put in cartograph decals in there? Do I need to buy aftermarket parts, that sort of thing? Do I need to buy aftermarket decals? If I want to buy this kit, what's involved? So I think it's a nice way. It's a service. It basically shows people, hey, here's what you get for your money. Here's what it is. And they can make a buying decision on that. And so I enjoy watching them. I think they're a good service. And so, but ultimately, yeah, I want to build a kit, see what it's like. And so, anyway, that's my summer update. I will be back on my bench at the end of this month in about 3 weeks, maybe 2.5, close to 2.5 weeks. I got to report back to work on July 31st. So I do have a kit that I'm building on the bench. I just don't have enough. I haven't built enough of it to make a video out of it that would be worthwhile. So I will get back on that, and looking forward to getting back to working on these models. And so everybody have a great rest of the summer. Stay tuned for some kit reviews. Check my description where I have links to my Revell F15 that I built. I'll put the playlists up, and the 2 Shermans I built, and my other Corso that I built. So if you'd like to see how these kits go together and stuff, you can take a look at those, and I appreciate it. Appreciate everybody watching, and if you're inclined, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. I really enjoy the community on YouTube and learn from everybody. And all I want to do is help people, learn. And I'm always learning. Anyway, thank you. I'll talk to everybody later, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.